It's Johnny and a Mama Gummy. I mean, that looks like, that's weird. I thought I just seen something moving in there. A Mama Gummy and might be paranoia. Look like a fucking jungle, man. My yard looks good. It doesn't look as good close up. No, it's real sandy. Yeah, we moved out here and holy. Oh shit, you see Hootie? Put man, move your ass, baby. Move your ass. Holy shit, man. Wife's bringing the dogs in. I got dogs scared of that shit. God damn, did y'all see that? That looked crazy though, man. We moved out here in the 80s, dude. I might need to go inside, man.